When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Yes guys, and welcome back to LEGO Stores. As we come guys, yesterday we opened day number 2 and got the Candyland command ship, and today is day number 3, so let's get it open. There we go guys, this is today's build. It's a first order stormtrooper. It does say it looks pretty nice, again as they always do. These stormtroopers I think are the best looking in terms of LEGO design. They look so smooth, so nice. Like the detail on the chest plate is amazing, and the helmet too. So that is day number 3, and I put alongside the first order Star Destroyer and the Candyland command ship. That's pretty cool guys. Tomorrow we'll be back at day number 4. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye.